Anybody has an idea what this is? Can you guess? Put it in the comments. Can you guess? Come on. I want to see. We have a Super Glide 1973 Super Glide that I'm not gonna say hasn't been touched because it's been touched, obviously. Super Glide 1973. Same thing, some water damage or just exposure to the outside. Rims need to be super mega clean. Everything's super rusty or dirty. It's an old bike. This one, I'm definitely changing parts. I want to make this bike my bike because this is my bike now. Thank you to my brother-in-law. He gave it to me. I don't know. This one, I need ideas, guys. Come on. I want some ideas for this bike, what to do with it. I don't know if I want to do old school, not chopper, but old school style bike with the fender, the big fender. I want to do a chop fender. I might change the suspension later on, sprocket. I gotta clean it first. That's another thing. I'm gonna clean these bikes first, but this one, I have no idea what to do with it yet. You have any ideas? You have any designs? I think he told me he has a different tank for this one, so maybe I can ask him for it and see how it looks. This is the bigger tank. It's in rough shape, but I'm sure we can do some stuff with it. So ideas, drop it. On Instagram, I might post some of these or post pictures, maybe a short, and you can send me pictures of it. Or send me links or whatever that you can see online. Where to buy parts. JP Cycles, I think, will be the best place to buy the parts for this. I'm not sponsored, obviously, it's my first video. So for now, this is it. 2006 Electra Glide Classic. Beautiful bike. 1973 Super Glide that I'm gonna completely change. This one's, again, paint, restoration, and very deep cleaning, to say that. That one over there,